Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the ghost skin. One primary way to acquire a ghost skin is by purchasing specific bundles directly from the in-game store. These bundles frequently feature the iconic ghost operator, along with unique weapon blueprints and other cosmetic additions like emblems or calling cards. For instance, the classic Ghost Pack is a well-known bundle that allows you to don his original look. You'll typically use Call of Duty points, the game's virtual currency, to complete these purchases, offering a straightforward path to unlock this fan-favorite character. Beyond direct store purchases, there are other avenues to secure a ghost skin. For example, players of Call of Duty Mobile can sometimes receive a free ghost stealth skin simply by linking their Activision account. Historically, purchasing specific game editions or remastered campaigns has also granted exclusive ghost operator skins. Additionally, seasonal battle passes often include new ghost variants as rewards for progressing through their tiers. Always stay vigilant for special in-game events or limited-time promotions, as these can occasionally offer unique ghost skins. To maximize your chances of getting a ghost skin, make it a habit to regularly check the in-game store. New bundles are frequently introduced, and older ones may return for a limited time. Always keep an eye on official game announcements for details about upcoming battle passes, as these often include new operator skins. Engaging with the game's community and participating in official events or giveaways can also sometimes lead to acquiring rare or exclusive ghost skins. Lastly, remember that premium game editions occasionally offer unique ghost content upon purchase. In summary, obtaining a ghost skin is achievable through several distinct methods. You can purchase various bundles from the in-game store, often featuring the iconic classic ghost or other unique iterations. Additionally, linking accounts, progressing through seasonal battle passes, or participating in special events can also unlock these coveted skins. By staying updated with game news and regularly checking the store, you'll be well equipped to find the perfect ghost look. Once acquired, equip your favorite ghost skin and bring his legendary presence to every match.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.